Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. And today the weather is bad again outside. It's March and still snow, and you can see the cars, they are all very dirty except for this one here. They don't drive in bad weather. So I thought this is a good day to put some protectant on this canvas top here of the town car, and it has some damage. See that? It's like a half circle. That's from a car wash, an automatic car wash, and I think this, I don't know what that is, but I did not notice that till it was too late. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just protect it the best I can. If it gets too bad one time, I'll keep the car. So I'll either have someone remove it and go without it, or if it doesn't look good underneath, I'll find a company to make a new one. It also has some little bumps here, which is kind of surprising because the car doesn't have that many miles, as you know, and it's never really been driven or parked outside. Well, I correct that. It was one winter it was parked outside for half the winter because we were doing construction on the garage. But anyhow, that shouldn't have damaged the top in that short time. So what I bought is this here, and I found that at Walmart for fairly inexpensive. It's Leno's Garage brand fabric shield, and you can use that for any types of fabrics and tops, like you see there on that Bronco with the soft top. So you spray that on. You can use a little brush to brush it in, or you can just spray it on and rub it smooth with a microfiber towel, and yeah, that should do the trick. Let it dry 24 hours. Now my worry is that it gets on the glass here and it will stain the glass. I mean, get sticky, stay sticky on the glass. So I have the towel here to wipe it off right away, and I'll spray a little bit on the glass on purpose to see how well it wipes off before I go ahead and spray the whole thing. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's see what we have here. It's now, the bottle is off. Turn it on spray. You can turn it on stream too. Who wants to use that? So let's see how it sprays even. Oh wow, you can see how that gets dark, but that gets wet right away. So this top here isn't protected at all. Everything soaks right in. Look at that. That's terrible. Yeah, it's about time to do something. I make a big mess here already. You can tell. Oh, that stinks. I tell you, that stuff stinks. See how that wipes off. Whew. That thing really stinks. I am not joking, guys. That stinks really nasty. So, not being whiny, but that's just not a good smell. Okay. So far, it wipes off pretty good, and no problem with that. Okay, I'll not bore you with this. I'll keep going. I'll show you the result in a little while. And I made a mistake there. I thought the camera was recording when it wasn't recording. So yeah, spraying all that stuff in there, there's some footage that never recorded, but it's okay. You know what I did. So I sprayed it on, and there was barely enough in this bottle here to get all this done. So there's barely enough in here. So those are 12 fluid ounces, 355 milliliters in that bottle, and that's just not really covering it. But I did my best, and we'll see what happens. We'll just let this dry, and it should dry nice and uniform again the way it was before, and we'll see what happens. So why does it say Leno's Garage? What does he really have to do with this product? Does anyone know? I don't think he has anything to do with this product. There probably just puts his name on it. Well, if it was completely crappy, he probably wouldn't do that. But anyhow, we'll let this dry and I'll show you the result. Let it dry for 24 hours. We'll see what it is, and maybe we'll go to a wash box and put some water in it and see if the water pearls off or what happens. So stay tuned for that, you know. It will come at the end of this video. All right. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been 24 hours and I can tell you the garage still stinks from that product. The product worked in pretty well, and I saw another bad spot here on the thing, this here. There used to be some wax from a tree, spot of wax from a tree, and it went inside the canvas top and it won't come out anymore. At least I don't think so. It's okay, you know. The car is not perfect and I love the vehicle the way it is. So we'll see. And what we'll do now is we'll see if the product is as good as they claim it is. We'll pour some water on it and see if it pearls off or not. And if you're wondering, that's why I have this cup in my hand. Let's do it. Let's put some water on there and see what happens. Look at that. Seems to pearl off pretty good. Yeah. And look, this spot here, it's soaked in because I didn't spray any on there, I guess. Man, well, the bottle was too small to get the whole roof covered. So I'm glad that at least it seems to help on top of it. It seems to help mostly here too. Here it doesn't. You can tell why I didn't spray enough of it on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll leave this alone for a while. I'll go through a couple of car washes and I'll see if it's still good or not. And if it's still okay, I'll buy another one and put some more on some more of that stuff on the spots that I missed. But for now, yeah, I think this helps the canvas top of the car, and I hope it won't harm it. Why would it? I doubt it will. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a car with a canvas top, let me know what you think of it. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you rather have a vinyl top or no extra top on it? I don't know, you know. I respect any choices. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna wipe this off, and I'll go head inside. It's still snowing outside and the weather's still pretty bad. Alright guys, please do subscribe, please like, and yeah, watch my other videos if you want to. And if not, that's fine also. Have a wonderful day.